Hi, Dr. Sharma. It's Jor-El giving you a video follow-up regarding that most beautiful 2019 Audi Q5 with, of course, that S-Line black optic package, the head-up display. And again, it's in the Navarro Blue Metallic, which is absolutely gorgeous. So here's a nice clear breakdown. This is a one-time lease payment with the trade. So you have the stackable savings of $2,000. We saved you another $1,000 that we adjusted the price on. The trade, we're giving you $25,250. There's no cost scheduled maintenance, so 5 years of scheduled maintenance. And of course, through the Doctors of Manitoba, you get $1,500 discount. Now, with that being said, you get 2% off the rate. So normally it should be 2.98%, but because of this special incentive until the end of the month, it's 0.98%. So your total due obligation would be $9,869.70. And then after 3 years, you can buy out the rest of the car at $34,450.80 plus taxes, or we can buy it back. Now, the next option that we can look at here would be the same thing, one-time lease payment with no trade, exactly the same incentives, 0.9%. Your total due at delivery would be $39,196.96. Now, if we scroll down a little bit further, I also made a 60-month finance with trade, exactly the same options, giving your trade money, and as well 0.98% biweekly at $375.33. Now, if we scroll down even further, I did another one, 60-month finance with no trade. So we took that $25,250 trade out. 0.98% biweekly, it's $600 biweekly, taxes in over 60 months at 0.98%, open loan. You can pay it out whenever you want. And of course, I also did a cash with the trade. With the trade, it's $47,532.68, and cash with no trade is $76,065.18. So basically, I've given you a one-time lease quote with the trade, with no trade, then a finance with the trade, with no trade, cash with trade, and no trade as well. So the most advantageous would be obviously to either lease it or finance it. With that being said, you'll get 2% off the rate, and it's an open loan with the finance. And with the one-time lease, it is very cost-effective and frees up a lot of capital. So either way, you have lots of great options. Let me know what you would like to do, and we'd love to earn your business, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.